Process Improvement Methodologies. Kaizen, Kanban, Six Sigma.
Productivity is very important in today's competitive business environment. Organizations look for the ways of improving their processes, reducing costs, and increasing their benefits. Process improvement involves the business practice of identifying, analyzing, and improving existing business processes to optimize performance, meet best practice standards, and the user experience for customers. There are many different methodologies available to help your organization achieve process improvement. Each methodology responds to a different need.
Kaizen methodology. Kaizen was first practiced after World War II in the Japanese manufacturing industry, and it was introduced by an organizational theorist Masaki Imai in his book Kaizen: The Key to Japan's Competitive Success in 1986. Kaizen methodology refers to activities that continuously improve all functions of an organization. It aims at involving all the employees from low level to top level within the organization. Implementation of Kaizen has 3 basic steps. 1. Encourage participation. 2. Training and education. 3. Quality improvement. Kaizen helps to identify and quickly remove waste in all phases of an organization through improving standardized tasks and processes. For a successful Kaizen implementation, employees should be encouraged by the top management. With the help of Kaizen boards, employees can post their ideas and decisions for each process. This removes the barriers between employees and management. Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a powerful problem-solving and process improvement tool which is developed by a quality assurance engineer Bill Smith at Motorola in 1986. Then it was registered in 1993 as a trademark of Motorola. The CEO of General Electric, Jack Welch, used this efficient technique for his business strategy in 1995. The Six Sigma methodology aims to improve the quality of the process by analyzing and reducing defects and errors. Apart from the other quality improvement techniques, Six Sigma aims to achieve measurable, quantifiable, and measurable results. Other techniques often rely on assumptions and estimates. The 2 methodologies DMAAYC and DMADV are the sub-methodologies of Six Sigma. Using this technique enables to reduce the number of defective products manufactured or services provided, resulting in increased revenue and greater customer satisfaction. Kanban. Kanban methodology is a process improvement tool developed by an industrial engineer Taiichi Ohno in the late 1940s. In the beginning, it is introduced as an integral part of the lean manufacturing production system. The purpose of the Kanban approach was to increase the productivity of the Toyota production system by eliminating wastes without causing a decrease in productivity. The Japanese word Kanban means visual card. Kanban laminated cards are used in the Toyota plants to guide lean production by communicating demands. These cards specify the tasks that need to be done just in time. Some frameworks focus on lean process improvement techniques, while others focus on getting your company culture in the right place. Regardless of what methodology you are using, involving people to decision-making is key to gather different approaches regarding changes.